Spring has finally made its way to North Carolina, so this week was really fun to get dressed because it was actually warm for once. On Monday, I just ran errands with some friends. I put on my favorite slip dress that I wear whenever I don't really have time to get ready. I don't know where I got this dress from, but I've had it for a few years now. And then I put on my orange strap Flatform Tevas with socks because I wanted to. And I topped it off with a menswear shirt, one of the first shirts I ever thrifted as a young adult. On Tuesday, I just had to go and do laundry, so I didn't really have any clean clothes to put on. I wore my super ripped up Levi's jeans that I thrifted with a black sweatshirt and my favorite pair of Converse. I tied a bandana in my hair so I would look less frumpy. On Wednesday, it was a really sad day, and all of the footage I took was garbage. So here is a clip of me drinking kombucha and watching chewing gum in my bed in the middle of the night. On Thursday, I didn't really get dressed until deep into the night when we went to go pick up a cheesecake from the grocery store. I just wore a long sleeve shirt, these Carhartt pants, and my orange strap Tevas.
Put them back. Put them back. I'm trying to see if they're easy. Okay, so try not to this is gonna be weird anyway. I actually listened to the conversation, but I heard y'all talking about them. Y'all like cheese? That was a weird fucking question. No, it's okay. You get them Philo shells right there. Get some brie. You put it in there. You get your favorite kind of jam. I like blackberry. You put it in there. You bake it for 5 minutes. 3 bites. I'd say that. And they're $2.99. She knows. She knows.
I went ahead and typed up the recipe because I do intend to try it one day. And on Friday, which is today, I just put on my favorite green crop top and my chef's pants while I drank a chai latte on my front porch and edited this video. I also put on my monstera leaf earrings. That was my whole weekend outfits. Leave a comment and tell me which outfit you like the most. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.